Shanghai Hongqiang International Airport. Today I have a special journey from Shanghai to Beijing by COMAC C919. Yes, that's it. This world's airline's first C919. That's China's first homegrown large passenger aircraft, which is delivered from COMAC to China Eastern Airlines.
The world's first C919 was delivered to China Eastern Airlines on December the 9th, 2022, and began its validation flight on December the 26th with a planned total flight time of 100 hours. During each flight validation, the C919 takes off from Shanghai Hongqiang Airport and flies to airports in cities across China, including the capital, Beijing, before returning to Shanghai on the same day. The validation flight stimulates the entire normal operation, including ticket signing and releasing, passenger boarding, pilot operation, and maintenance.
The aisle height is 2.25 meters, so it's not cramped when you're walking in it. And the noise is really small, so it's okay for passengers to talk with each other. And I find the seat is very user-friendly. When I choose my seat on the daily flight, I usually avoid the middle one, because it's a little crowded when there are passengers seats both on sides. But the middle seat of C919 is wider than the sides, so it can improve the comfort of passengers. Let's have a try. Nice. Our journey has come to end. China Eastern Airlines plans to put C919 to market operation in the spring of 2023. Hope we meet in the high sky again. See you.